Good afternoon, everyone. The title of our activity is Propel a small boat with compressed air. Competency: utilizing the power of the air. Objective: to be able to utilize the power of the air by making a jet-propelled boat that is driven by the power of air under pressure. As you can see, I already made a jet. The materials used are styrofoam, color paper, a piece of balloon, milk straw, oil pastel, and stick glue, and a glue gun. Now we're gonna put some air in the balloon by using this air pump. The balloon already have air. Now we're ready. I will do it again. The jet moved forward because of the air pressure. Bye!